Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today my topic on this video, so how to fix this app is not available in your country or region on iPhone or iPad 2023. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So do not waste any time, fix this issue. So how to change the country or region on my iPhone? So some apps is not available for your iPhone, so then you have open the setting, then you have click on Apple ID, so then you have click on media and purchase, so then you have click on view accounts, so then you have click on country or region, so then you have click here, and then you have some seconds wait, and then you have shown on your iPhone screen change country or regions, so then you have click on here, so then you have a change from here, so you want if any country, so I have selected first United States, and this time I will change the United Arab Emirates, so then you have click here, and then some seconds wait, and then so you have click on agree, and then I have back, so I have same click on United States, so then oh, United States, so then you have, sorry guys, so then I have click on United States, so some seconds wait, and then you have agree from here, so then you have credit debit card, so then you have select from here number required expires, so then CVV card on numbers, so then streets city state zip, and then phone number, then you have next, and then your mobile country region is automatic iPhone unchanged, and then your problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.